In this video, I want to talk about the AI website builders you can find on the Appsumo with the lifetime deal. And the best part, if you are watching this video during the Black Friday, you can get the 10% extra discount. The best part, not only you can use these website builders for building the website for your business, but you can also start your own business for the web development, because this website is going to be self-hosted on the cloud service. So you don't even need to pay for the SSL or the hosting here. You can offer these kind of the website building services to your clients or the customers. So that way, not only you are building your own business, but you are also earning the money. So let's get started with this video, and I have filtered out of these website builders the 5 best tools here. So the first one, we have the Breezy Cloud. This AI website builder not only lets you create the website or the pop-up page, but you can also create the mini websites here. So while starting, it is going to ask you click here on the new project, and after that you see there are the 3 things it is going to let you create. First, if you want to create the landing pages or the websites, you want to create the pop-up or alerts or the story. These are the mini website only for the mobile. Okay, so we want to create the website and landing pages, so we will select that, and after that we have the 3 methods available. Whether we want to create from the scratch by attaching the elements and the different blocks, or we want to use the AI, but here we have to give the detailed information to the AI about what kind of the app website we want to generate, or the elements or the features or the blocks we want. We have to give that the detailed information here. But my favorite one is that using a template. These are the pre-designed website templates available. We can select from here, and it has also this filter option available. Suppose I want to create a food or restaurant kind of the website here. So we have so many great templates available. I will select any of these ones, and after that I can easily customize these things. Suppose I want to customize these ones, so that is really simple. All I need to just select the text element or the image I want to customize, and I can easily customize. I can change the text, I can use the AI to generate the text for me or the image for me, and within the I think 30 or 15 minutes this website will be ready. So this is the Breezy Cloud, and it is starting from the just $59, and the one single tier plan you are getting the 5 website, means the 5 website hosting, SSLs, and all the AI capabilities I have showed you right now. You are getting in just one time payment of the $59 and the lifetime access. Suppose this is the thing you are offering your client, lifetime website. Really the mind-blowing deal. Now let's go to next tool that is similar to the Breezy Cloud. This is the Mr. Zero Code. This is the really another mind-blowing website builder you can find on the Appsumo, and the best part, it is also AI power. So after getting its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to see. It has 2 variants available. Whether you want to generate the website or the app using the AI, or you can also use its templates. The best part, its template is so designful and so amazing and the colorful. You will be stunned. For example, I want to create an automation website here, so I will simply click here, and this is the preview. You can check it here. See, isn't it mind-blowing or not? Okay, so once you have selected a template, you have to click here on the use this template, and again we are going to see a user interface where we can select the different elements. We can customize that, and there's also these already pre-designed blocks available that we can easily drag and drop. Let me skip this one. Okay, so suppose I want to add this feature section on the website, so I will have to simply drag and drop here, and it will be the build. Okay, so right now you can see this is the detailed live form. You can see these are the dynamic websites you are building here. Okay, so it is also asking you to use its AI assistant to generate the script or the content. I can easily select this element here, and after that I can customize from here. So this is how you are going to use the Mr. Zero Code. Its pricing is the $49, affordable compared to the Breezy Cloud, and again it's also offering itself as cloud hosting and the free SSL and the payment integrations. Plus you are also getting the other things like the marketing integration. So in the single tier plan, you are going to get the 10 applications or the 10 websites you can create, and the 2 custom domains. Then basically these are the limits. So if you want higher website limits, then you can go for their higher plans. Now let's go to the next tool. This is the ECommerce Builder. With the help of, you can launch your e-commerce stores. You can add the funnels like one-click upsell, downsell, or you can even create the order bumps. So this is the website, and it is also going to give you the cloud hosting and the free SSL to build in your e-commerce store within the same dashboard, or you don't need to have to pay the hosting, then connect the custom domain. Those are the some technical stuff you have to do if you are going to manage with the WordPress or the WooCommerce or the BigCommerce kind of the platforms here. Okay, this is the Launchcart starting from the $49. Then we have the really cool platform is the Elements kits. So if you are a WordPress lover like me and create the sites on the WordPress, this is the kit that you should definitely get it here. So this is powered by the Elementor, and like the Elementor, you don't have to pay the yearly charges for getting their pro templates or the elements here. You have to just get its lifetime deal on the elements and look at all these elements and the blogs. No matter what kind of the website you want to create, you can use these elements. Definitely must check it out, this tool, if you are the WordPress designer here. So if I go to the plans and features, in the single plan you can use the elements kits for 5 websites. Last tool we have the job portal. If you want to create and launch the job portals and accept the payments while showing the jobs, or want to monetize your website with the jobs payments, then this is the tool you can use to create the custom job portals for your visitors and showing out and launching the jobs for you. So right now it is available starting from the $79, and this tool is especially for the job portals. Okay, so you cannot do the other things as well. This is especially for the managing your jobs, employers or the candidates in the listicle forms, or creating a job directory website. We have this tool that is the I found the extra, and this is another website builder, but this is not that much the advanced, and its user interface and the website is not that much of the good. But still I have added this tool in the list as the extra because it has this some easy yet most effective templates available here. You can see these are the some easy templates available for the one page website. So you want to create the one page website for your clients, offering the some essential and the requirement features of the website, you can check out this tool here. So these are the some 5 or 6 AI website builders I have showed you in this video. So if you want to check it out any of these tools, the link will be given in the description. Plus I also created a detailed video on the Breezy Cloud or the Mr. Zero code that you can find on my YouTube channel. So along with the Black Friday, I am also giving out my free bonuses that you can also check out. So these are the $2,000 pack for the Black Friday I am giving out. So these are the bonuses. You can pause the video and check them out. So how you can get these bonuses? So if you are going to buy any of the tools from the link of this video description, just send me the invoice and I will give access all these bonuses. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.